Some people decorate an evergreen tree while others light the candles of a menorah or canara.
Well, let's not argue about it. We all know one thing that we hope for at this time of year.
Presents.
No, the first ingredient for making holiday jazz comes down from the sky.
Oh, I know. Santa Claus.
Well, if snow can make holiday jazz, then and I brought some corn for popping. The vines are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally say goodnight, how I hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. Be warm, slowly dying. But my dearest, still goodbye. Is how do you love me so? Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally say goodnight, how I hate going out in the storm. But if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm, be warm. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire's so delightful. And there's no place to go. Let it snow, 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 let it
Snow is certainly a nice bit of holiday jazz.
So that is holiday jazz. That takes care of that.
Well, snow can certainly be a part of holiday jazz, but there's so much more to it than that.
Yeah, but people celebrate holiday jazz different even where it doesn't snow.
Well, there goes that theory. You see holiday jazz in a combination of all of our beliefs and traditions. That's right, but everyone knows Jingle Bells, right?
Yes, but do they know the Jingle Bell Stomp?
Well, are you ready to do the Jingle Bell Stomp? Well, what are you waiting